This is the one I got off of Craigslist. And she is such a good eater. Like, she eats anywhere. She eats out of my hand. She eats in her tank. She doesn't eat out of a dish. But obviously she's eating now. She took a mealworm out of my hand earlier. She can be tongue fed. So that's pretty cool. And she's doing really well. She's in quarantine right now, but she's not showing any signs of anything.
Oh boy. Where are we now?
Everything's looking good, and she's eating really well. My other geckos, they're spoiled, and they're not eating much right now.
Okay, so it just pushes the other zombies away. It doesn't necessarily blow them up.
But she's the only one eating right now, so.
Oh, I don't have enough DNA for this. How do I get more DNA? Oh, I gotta. Nope, not you. Not you. But then a little bit of you.
She's doing good.